Hey everyone, if you're watching this, you probably have a dream, and a big one. Maybe it's Harvard, Princeton, or Yale. Or maybe it's just proving to yourself that you can do something extraordinary. So today, I'm just not giving you the checklist for aiming in Ivy League, but a complete roadmap which is real and factual. So let's get started. Let's talk about facts now. In 2025, Harvard's acceptance rate was just 3%. Yale 5%, Columbia just under 4%, and it's not the rejection rate, it is a how rare is the level of access rate. But here's the twist, thousands of admitted students, they had perfect GPAs, top scores, leadership, and majorly the stories that stuck. So it is not about being perfect, but it is about, do you stand out? Now let's talk about academics, because that is completely non-negotiable. You will need a 3.9 plus GPA, mostly ABs or IBs, with a strong and rigorous coursework. Because what Ivy League wants to see is that you've challenged yourself and thrived in it. Now here are certain tips. You can appear for subjects like physics, chemistry, advanced humanities, AP Calculus PC, or whatever matches your story. Also, you will find that SAT or ACT exam has been written as optional. However, most of the admits, they submit their scores with an average score of 1510 to 1560. So if you can crack this exam, it really helps. Now, very importantly, what makes you the you? Here's where you shift from a smart kid to a memorable applicant. Ivy League is looking for a spike, not just a well-rounded resume. So just to give you certain examples, are you an Olympiad level coder, or a published poet, or a climate activist who has a real following? Your story should convince in a manner that they say it within, that if we do not take this student, we might lose it, we might regret it. To just give you more examples, one Princeton admit, he started a podcast for the teens who were struggling with mental health. Another, he built an AI or robotics startup at the age of 17. What's your story? Now let's move on to the essays and personal statements, because those are the heart of your application. The personal statements are not just the story you're writing, it's the soul that you're putting on the paper. Think deeply on the questions which ask about what's that one moment which changed your perspective to see the world. Because Ivy League readers, they go through thousands of applications each day. They are not going to remember your scores. They are not going to remember the stories, the statements that you're framing, but they are going to remember the impact that your story can create. Just to give you one more strong example, a Brown admit, she wrote about how she turned her grandfather's dementia care into a tech project. Now this sort of strong example, it's not flashy, it's raw, it's real. What's your writing? Moving forward, letter of recommendations. Do not take them for granted, because these are actually your recommendations coming straightly from your teachers. Here, select your teachers very wisely who are knowing you deeply, not just as a student, but as a potential to be a leader, a fighter, and a curious mind. Here, to help them better, you give your work, your self-work, the work that you have done for your accomplishments, for your goals, for your strengths, for your weaknesses, because these details and information, that's going to help them to write better and specific letters for you, which is actually speaking loud for your recommendation. Finally, what's the plan of action for fall 2026 applications? If you are targeting the same intake, then you must be aware of the deadlines and the timelines announced for the applications. For early decision choices, you can submit your application before November 1, 2025, and for the regular decision choices, you can put up your application before January 1, 2026. So before these timelines, you have to plan, complete, and finish all the work, all the planning, all the research that we have just talked about. And afterwards, once your applications are submitted, very important work to do, stay prepared and pray, because you can expect your outcome in the month of March 2026. Ivy League isn't just the finish line, it's the launch pad. So if you've just started and you're looking forward for a personalized guidance and a roadmap, we would love to join your journey and contribute at the best. Drop your comments where you are looking forward to apply, and we shall get back to you. See you in the next.